Hit it.
Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. I am so glad you joined me. Hello everyone, welcome back. Y'all know every now and then I do these videos, right? So my daughter, she fixed this stuff called ratatouille. It's called ratatouille, right? These pastas, it is a vegetarian, more like a, I guess you could say vegetarian vegan dish. I gotta set y'all down for 1 minute, so hold on, y'all. Let me show y'all. This is the sauce, but this is the actual dish itself. This is what the dish look like. And she asked me this morning, did I try it? And I told her no, because I hadn't tried it, but she wanted me to try it. So I'm gonna go ahead and try it now. So I think the way she got it is she wants me to put the noodles in first. So I'm gonna put a little bit of these noodles. Okay, noodles. The noodles are called panini. So now I'm gonna add this one right here. I gotta get me a wait a minute, I'm gonna have to set y'all down again for a minute. I do really want y'all to see what I'm doing. And I'm gonna take, see, this got eggplant, it's got tomatoes, red onions, and plop that on like that. Okay, that's how that goes. I'm not really trying to be, and I think, I don't know if this is squash. No, that's a pepper. That's a green pepper. And then she got, this is zucchini. So she got some zucchini in there too. So this is this. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to take some of the sauce, and I'm going to pour the sauce on top of it. My daughter be, y'all go check her cooking channel out. She got her cooking channel. She be doing all her recipes. Please go over. She got something awesome coming up for y'all the beginning of the year. She is turning into a pescatarian. Yay! Well, she's just going to be eating fish. So please go over, subscribe to her channel. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take this and put this in the microwave and nuke it. And then I'm going to try it out, because my husband was down there talking about how good it was. So I'm just going to put it for 1 minute in the microwave, and I'll be back. So here it is, y'all. This is what it looks like. Oh gosh. So I'm going to try this, because my husband is like really, oh, it's so good. So I'm like, well, I got to try it. Vegetarian style, y'all. I need to take a picture of this. Okay, so here I go. I'm gonna taste it. This is the eggplant right here. Wait a minute. Let me get that off. All right, bon appetit. It is really, really delicious. So This is one of the recipes that my daughter will definitely be bringing to you all. It is good, y'all. It's delicious. So with that being said, I just want to say thank y'all so very much for watching today. I greatly appreciate it. And I'm going to make sure that I leave my daughter's link down in the description box so that you all can go over and subscribe to her channel. We would love to have you. Listen to me, we. She would love to have you join her squad. Peace and blessings, everyone. See ya.